It's your boy Big Boss Jawon. We about to do a taste test. Something new I seen, wanted to try out, you know. About to see.
Born with ADHD and me so bad that my teacher couldn't teach. IEP with goals I couldn't meet. Testing my knowledge with all of these sheets. A problem occur whenever I speak. They made a program called speech.
It's your boy Big Boss Jawon back with another video. So before I get to this video, like the whole concept of this video. So I was looking in the noodle section, like the soup section, and I grew up eating cup noodles and everything, and I seen these rare, I never before in my life seen them. Like, it's something completely different. So I was like, why not? So I got 3 different flavors, right? First here is original. You feel me? I've seen this flavor plenty of times. The Teriyaki Beef flavor. Stir fry. It says stir fry Asian noodles and sauce. Let y'all see too. You feel me? Y'all can see what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm doing a taste test, you know. I don't know how these taste. I want to see myself. I'm very curious. This one is Korean barbecue flavor. And last but not least, this is probably gonna be like one of the least favorites. It's very spicy. Like, I had a little taste of it. Alright. First, we're gonna start off with the teriyaki beef. We always start off with a smell. You always gotta smell it. You feel me? Make sure everything, you feel me, know what you're getting into before you actually get into it. Anywho. Great smell, great smell. This the first one I'm gonna try. You know, it's original, a regular one, but who knows, it might have a different flavor or something to it. So let's see what it's about. And this is teriyaki beef. Yeah, teriyaki beef flavor. It's a Asian noodle, and the Asian noodle sauce. It's supposed to be stir fry. So let's see what's different about it. It's pretty regular, pretty plain. I'll probably put some hot sauce on it a little bit. Overall, pretty good though. Overall, pretty good. Alright. Next, Korean barbecue or hot garlic chicken. I'm gonna just go with the next one over. So I'm gonna go with Korean barbecue. We're gonna do that next. It looked weird before it cooked. Something different, I guess. We gonna see. I can't do that to myself, bro. That's disgusting. Do not get that. Not it. That was the Korean barbecue flavor. Supposed to be stir-fried Asian noodles in the sauce. That one disgusting. Then this one, it's gonna be extremely hot. It's the hot garlic chicken flavor. Please don't be so hot, please. I didn't even do that for the camera. That's was really hot, y'all. Like, still burning in my mouth like crazy. Hot garlic chicken, that's crazy, bro. So we only had one good one that I'm actually going to eat, and that is the teriyaki beef flavor, the original. I already knew that was gonna be a pretty decent one. I was trying to have some faith in the other ones, but as you can see, the Korean barbecue was highly disgusting. It's not edible at all. And the hot garlic chicken wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't as hot. Like, it's so hot, you cannot eat that, bro. Like, I'm not gonna eat that. So my overall review of it, you know, it didn't do nothing different for real, especially for this one that I'm actually about to eat. It's the same. It just renamed it, honestly. You feel me? Tried to like size it up, make it seem like, you know, but as you can see, I did what I did to make it taste as good as it could taste with the one that I was gonna eat. It was only 99 cents anyway, so it wasn't like a big loss, and I'm not really tripping off of it, honestly. You can most likely find those at any of your grocery stores. So yeah. That's amazing. Shout out Rebel Ruzy. I'm about to play something. I ain't never heard nobody do this before. You feel me? Where is it? So, he was like, he really memorized my lines and stuff. I was like, prove it. So he sent it.
I don't never sleep, and I don't ever want to dream. Everything you thinking ain't what it seem. I'm a beast, they just let me off the leash. You see flames when I'm rapping, everything I'm on is heat.
Thought that was something nice, you feel me? I'm gonna lock in with him. Y'all gonna lock in with me, my music, everything. I'm BigBossJawon, and you just did the cup noodles stir fry edition. You know, we checked out, they did 3 different flavors. 2 of them didn't make it, the Korean barbecue and the hot garlic chicken. Yeah, only one of them made the cut. I know which one that was. That was the teriyaki. You feel me? The teriyaki beef. It tastes like the regular ramen joint, and there wasn't really nothing different about it. The cup noodle joint regular. There wasn't nothing special about it, but I'm gonna eat this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Born with ADHD and me so bad that my teacher couldn't teach. IEP with goals I couldn't meet. Testing my knowledge with all of these sheets. A problem occur whenever I speak. They made a program called speech.